On Winging It with Huda, the Ramadan series, we're making Turkish eggs. Yum. It is super simple, and you know what? You can make it in no time at all. Look, there is a slight technicality. You are going to poach eggs, but I'm going to show you how to poach the eggs and get a beautiful, crispy Basturma going, because that's going to be the stunning crumb on the top and just going to complete that dish. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to make up the yogurt sauce first. 2 cups of plain yogurt. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of tahini. We've got some minced garlic here, a couple of pinches of salt, and lemon juice for tanginess. Give that a good whisk, and then we're just going to set it aside. Next, I want to move on to the basturma. Now I have my grill or sandwich press heated up. It's ready to go. Take it out of the packet, place it on my grill plates. We want to get this so nice and crispy because this is a crumb after all. Straight down, let that go. And while our basturma is crisping up, I'm going to move on to poaching the eggs. I want it on a light simmer. I'm going to add the vinegar in. What you want to do is crack your egg into a little ramekin. Our water is ready to go. So just swirl the water, and you want to just drop it in the center like that and let it do its thing. Okay, but nice and crispy. When that cools down, that's going to crispen up. Straight into our plate. What I'm doing now is heating up a little bit of butter and extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to add some chilli and sweet paprika to that so that it colors our oil, because that's going to sit beautifully on the top of our Turkish eggs. We're ready to plate up. We've got our yogurt, and then what you want to do is nestle each poached egg in the yogurt. So now with our basturma crumb all over the top, we can now just drizzle that butter and olive oil and spice mixture all over. There you have it. Turkish eggs, my style, perfect for suhoor. So satisfying, gonna keep you full for long. Can I dig in now? Now the most important part is eating what you've made. And I'm not sharing. I'm gonna have a piece of bread and cut through my egg. Guys, this is not pretty, but you know what? You're all missing out. I'm gonna have a moment.